countersunk holes. Yeah, basically I've just been working at a fingerboard factory for the past, I don't know, like 6 months or something. Doing like Magic Doll, doing stuff for Catfish, making wood ramps with Harry, and Father Time we just started. But it's been an hour and I just put some boards in the mold. Yeah, basically my day is just wake up, walk to Bart to the city, come here, put some boards in the mold, and then go get like a huge sandwich from across the street. So I'll make you a board. See, I'll make you a 32 millimeter board in the fingerboard world is like an 825. It's like the standard size people ride.
32.
But they don't, like a 32 doesn't look like an 825. It looks like a 9-inch board or something. But this is the standard size people ride. But like if you want a wider board, people ride 34 millimeter.
Okay.
If you want a smaller board, people ride like a 30 millimeter or even like a 27, which is like old tech decks are like 26, 27. All right, this is gonna get really loud for a second. Now you have a rough cut popsicle. And after this you want to round the rails of the board so it's not just like a boxy square. But yeah, like Harry does like a lot of like hand-shaped crazy boards. It's just on the sander. And then also like you can make like a crazy shaped like template, cut like any kind of shape you want. But I usually just take this and touch it on the sander.
What is that?
It's from spray glue. So it's just like a million boards that have been made just with Sorry. Don't worry, Jeff. When I was in high school, I was making a fingerboard at my dad's house, and I was like this close to spraying it, and I had the cap backwards, and I sprayed lacquer just point blank into my eyes.
No.
And I couldn't see, my eyes were like glued shut.
Oh my god, Marbie.
And I like couldn't figure out how to get back inside. So I was pounding on the house. And then my dad opened the door and I told him what happened. He like drugged me inside and like made me hold my eyes open under a hot shower for like 15 minutes.
Wow.
So,
I'm glad you're okay.
yeah, my eyes are really good. So I have to wear readers. Oh no, oh my god. Okay. God damn it. Freaking god. Yeah, this is just to like see like with the new mold that we made, it's like super big kicks, so you can skate massive stuff, just like when you're like a kid.
It's really hard to pop a trick when you're squatting down, but with these shits you can actually like just still go up. Normally you're like trying and it's like this thing was
Save it for Clipper.
Yeah, save it for Clipper. Warm it up.
So the plan is launch ramp media is going to go to Clipper, and we need to film a new ad for the Father Time boards. So we're also going to skate. Just a chill spot. Harry's going to the front nose grind. Wait, actually, you don't have to.
I know I don't have to. For the backside, I would definitely just do a nose slide.
Yeah, same. Yeah, it's totally backside for me.
Looks like crook.
Jeff, if it was this tall, 100%. The fact is this tall and I'd have to fly at it for like my low popping ass to get on. I would have no time and I'd eat so much shit. Like if it was this tall where you could go like Mach 0, get in and just off. Yeah.
But it's Clipper.
But it's Clipper. There's a reason why.
House of Hammers. It's always bringing out the big guns.
What's up, Hammer Lords? You guys want
Mini guns? Yeah.
Y'all bringing it or you singing it?
bring it?
Bring it, don't sing it.
Let me get my jacket.
Wow.
Want to see a trick?
Thanks for.
Get on the cruiser board. Yeah, this is normal. Who's gonna get the clip on this? Dude, like, quick little wall ride, ollie, and then 50 this little ledge out and you come off the side. Like, you come from the bank, and then right before you like ollie to this side. You crosswalk. I mean, ideally you'd be going a little faster. Right into the hot sauce puddle right there. The children are back. Woo. I want to hit like something where. Oh!
Back at Clipper, Marbie.
Time to mud side it again. Yeah, it's pretty beef.
It's just really, the height is good, but it's so long. You have, it's just so round too. I can't put the trick on that.
Pretty big.
I like dropping it.
You ready, Marbie?
Yeah, I'm instantly ready. God damn it, that sucked. Oh, Mark.
Are you okay?
I'm so fine.
I
was watching through the camera. I couldn't believe my eyes. Holy
Oh my
shit.
God, Marvie, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh fuck.
That was a sick fucking.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
That sucked.
Oh.
Holy
Oh.
shit. You're like, man, fuck skating. I'm doing a fingerboard now.
Okay, let's do the fingerboard.
Okay. Think you're done.
You gotta get the clip you saying. You know what? Lay back, front, like lay back nose.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just gonna do front blend, backside flip. Cut to that.
Layback nose clearly didn't work. So layback nose slide clearly didn't work. So I think I'm gonna front blunt flip out.
Fakes or regular?
Fakey. Mmm. Good. I need ice cream
I
now.
already ate my ice cream. It's already gone.
Straight crematorium.
I got a bunch of sunscreen too.
Oh, dude, my face was burning. When Oh! Okay. I definitely got that one.